Okay, this is for reflection objective 12. This is the if I do, I die equation. So F is for focus. D with the subscripted O is for the object distance. And D with the subscripted I is for the image distance. And the reason we have this formula is it's the third way that we can figure out where an image is reflected to. The first two ways, the one way we did in lab where you actually had a candle and a screen, and then you could just, move the screen around and find out where the image is. The second way was drawing ray diagrams, and then this is the third way is mathematically. So this is the formula you'll use for that. I went ahead and just drew a curved mirror with a focus and 2 times the focus, which remember is really the center of that sphere. If you were to take that curved mirror and make it a circle, that's the actual middle. And just made up some arbitrary numbers here. The focus is 3 centimeters away. The object distance is 8 centimeters away. So where that arrow is drawn is 8 centimeters away from the mirror. So all the way out here, that's 8 centimeters. And I'm asking you if that's where you put your object, which by the way is zone 1, where would the image end up? And where should the image end up if your object is in zone 1? Answer that for yourself. And then you can go ahead and solve this equation any way you like. I've set it up here for you with the 1 over 3 is equal to 1 over 8 plus 1 over di, and you're going to solve for di. And let's look at 2 different ways that you can do that. The 2 different ways that you can solve is either by just finding a common denominator, which I've done on the left. You can see the math there, pause it and take a look at it if you need to. Or you can use that inverse key on your calculator. On this particular app that I'm using to record this video, I don't have the capability to, well, at least not very easily, show you the calculator how to do that. So if you need to see that, make sure you come and see me. But you use that inverse key. And the way that you would do it is you would take, here, let me, like this here. Let me get rid of that. Where's my laser pointer? Here it is. 3. Here you would take 3x to the raised to the negative 1, so that inverse key. So you type in the 3 and then you hit that inverse key on your calculator. You hit minus 8, then you hit that inverse key again and you hit enter. Then you hit that inverse key again and it automatically plops the answer in and you hit enter again. And no matter which way you do this, either by finding a common denominator or by using your calculator, you should have ended up with 4.8 centimeters.